Hi everybody, it's Teacher Denise and Hannah, and we have an Easter craft for you guys. We are going to be making these egg-shaped outlines. So in preschool we talk a lot about shapes, but usually we fill in shapes. But we can explore shapes further by using a shape as an outline, and rather than filling in the inside, we highlight the outside of it using the negative space. So that's what we're going to work on today. Your materials that you will need. You need
chalk,
some chalk,
paper,
some colored chalk, some black construction paper, and then some kind of a thick paper that you can use to make your egg outline. So you're going to start by cutting out an egg shape, and this is a really good time for you to model for your child what to do when you are creating something and it doesn't go exactly the way that you had hoped. You go in and you adjust and you just keep trying until it fits what you want. Until it looks like the shape that you had in mind, or at least something roughly close to it. And here is also where you can talk about different shapes. An egg is like an oval, except that one end is smaller than the other end. And you can even compare. You can talk about shapes that are almost the same size or shapes that are different in size. You can introduce the words small, medium, big, do some comparing like that. All right, so you are going to get your black paper and use one of your, oh, Hannah, are you going to make another on that one? Okay, so you get your black paper and you get an outline and put it down on your paper. And this is really good for a child's dexterity and control of their hands. They have to hold the shape in place, and with a very young child you may want to hold the shape in place for them, but they have to hold the shape in place and then use the other hand to do the chalk around. And this is why we're using cardstock or thick paper, is because if you do this with a thinner paper, the edges just get kind of rumpled and it doesn't hold the shape very well. So go all the way around with your chalk, holding your paper in place, holding your shape in place. And then once you have outlined with chalk, you can take your finger and spread the chalk out so it looks like
it's exploding.
Like it's exploding. Kind of reminds me of fireworks when it's all done. So when you peel away your template, there you're left with the outline of your egg shape. And you can do a couple different sizes on one page. You can reuse your shapes with different colors if you want to. I think I'm going to do a light blue this time. And same thing, you're just going all the way around. So you can talk to your kids about, describe the movements that you are using, teach them the precise vocabulary for the tools that you're using. You have sidewalk chalk, you have construction paper, you have cardstock, and you're brushing out with your fingers as you go around. You can talk to them about Easter eggs and where that tradition began. Talk about other things that people do for Easter while you are doing this project. So there you go. You get some Easter chalk outlines. If you guys do this, if you make these at home, I would love for you to take a video or some pictures and send them to me so I can see what you guys made. We're going to go hang ours. See you guys. Bye.
Bye.